How to check passwords on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. While Roblox does not allow you to directly see your password for security reasons, but there are other ways by which you can check the saved passwords. If you head over to your Roblox application's account info page, you will see the password and the number of password. However, tapping on edit button will only allow you to change the password but not see it. If you have saved your Roblox password on your device, you can check it via the Google account. So head over to Google or Chrome and type in Password Manager. Tapping on Password Manager, you will see Manage Passwords option. Tapping on it, search for Roblox. Once you search for Roblox, you will require the password of your device. After confirming, it will show you your account username and the password that is saved with the Google account. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.